So good morning children. Good morning everyone. So children, how are you? I hope everyone is fine and you are listening the online classes. Good morning children, how are you? I hope everyone is fine and you are not going outside and you are reading whatever we are telling in the online classes and listening carefully. So yesterday which lesson we have started? That is fifth lesson. Which lesson? Fifth lesson. That is clothes. That is clothes. So that is fifth lesson, clothes. So how clothes protect us from heat, cold and rain? How this all help for us in the, how it will help for us to protect from heat, sun, rain, cold. So here in the different seasons, yesterday we have learned in the different seasons we will wear different types of cloths. So here how we will get cotton cloths with the help of cotton plant. Next how we will get woolen cloths with the help of sheep hair. So we have learned till yesterday, that is wool. So today we are going to the silk. So here we have completed two. What is that? First one is cotton, second one is wool. So third one is silk cloths. Silk ante meeku telusu, it will be very smoothly. So no, we will know how we will get from silk. So it will get from silk cocoons. So we will get silkworm. Okay, we get silk from silkworm. Yes, how we will get silk from silkworms? This is a silkworm. It is a insect type. So we will get from silkworm silk. So here he given the picture of a cocoon. So how we will get a silkworm? Manam silkworm to ela vastundo ikkada manaki picture lo isa. The caterpillar eats the leaves of the mulberry plant. The caterpillar will eat. Caterpillar means it is an insect that will eat the leaves of mulberry plant and turns into a cocoon. So it will be turned into the cocoon. The cocoon has silk fiber around it. So a cocoon has silk fiber around. So here it is showing for you. Silk fiber is extracted. So here it is extracted from the cocoon. It is had been extracted from the cocoon. Next, the fiber is spun to get silk thread. So here it has been. So with the help of these mulberry leaves, we will get what we will get? It turns the mulberry it turns into the cocoon. Next, the cocoon will next it turns extend into the silk fiber. So after that we will get the fiber from the spun. We get it like a thread. So this is the how we will get silkworm from how we will get a silk from the silkworms. So silk thread is woven to make a silk cloth. Here it is a making of a silk thread with a oven. So it is a making of silk cloths. Here China is the largest producer of silk. Here silk, where we will get it is the largest. China is the largest producer. Which is the largest producer of a silk? Silk, if we tell, it is the answer is China. India is the world's largest consumer of silk. Silk cloths are very soft and expensive. Such cloths are worn to the special occasion. You know everyone how silk cloths, it is very nice, smooth ga untundi. It is a very good way. So party wear, it is mostly we will wear in the party wear. So how dressing different? So here we have completed how we will get silk now children with the help of silkworm. Okay, so how dressing is different? How dressing difference? So here he is asking how the dresses are different. So our dressing different according to the need. So here what he is telling, our dressing sense is different. Ante manam eskunna dressing sense different untayi. Enduku ani anante, why? Because if we ask the question, because morning we will wear a saree. Example, it's a me. So morning we will wear the saree after bathing. Afternoon we will use nighties, and if we go anywhere we will wear sarees. If not, we will be in a night suit. So after night we will change at the night suits. So like this only, the different types of a dress sense will be there. Example, children's morning what we will wear? Uniform. Why you will come to the school? So school is a very important to you. So it is a code of a school, that is uniform, school uniform. Like that only. Example, where if it is a night, what we will wear? Night suits we will wear. If we go to party, party ki veltam. So what you will wear? You will wear school uniform? No, you will wear a party dress. That may be party dress. It is a very colorful dresses, so much of a excuse ante chala beautiful dresses you will wear. Like that only. Eyes in school, what you will wear? Uniform. In the bed, night dress. In the party dress. That may be very expensive ante chala beautiful dresses. So here different. First one is school uniform, next one night dress. At party wear I wear different color dresses. Okay, next, clothes of different state and countries. So here how dressing is different now I have been told for you. Now next one is how clothes of a different states and country. So different states lo mana yokka, so different states. So here in every state they will have different of cultures and different of dress sense and also food. So in the previous lesson also we have learned that is a different countries we will have different food. So in our Telangana we will eat dal, chawal, roti, all the biryanis we will eat. So in the other countries like Rajasthan, you maybe Punjab, they will eat a lassi, they will drink. That is a special drink for them. That is lassi, roti. They will eat less of the food, more of the chapati. So like that only different types of. Here also given different. What he is telling, different states. Ante prati oka state ki, prati oka country ki vaalla yoka dress sense undani cheptunnaru. We wear clothes depending on the places where we stay. So what he is saying here, wherever we stay, we will wear that type of only clothes. People in different parts of world wear different types of clothes. So in people, so here what he is saying, people wherever they stay. So wherever in the foreign countries they will wear sleeveless dress and shorts, but in our India we will wear like that. No, we will not wear. We will wear a sari or a dress sense, that is Punjab dress, or it is a night suits like a pant shirt. So though we will not wear in India, what is our code? That is a sari. That is a very beautiful sari that the ladies will wear and the gents will wear dhoti kurta in the previous Asian days, but now they are wearing the pant and shirts. So here what he is saying, different types of countries they will wear. You are seeing here different types of states. And how we see first an urban and herbs. So in the herbs country, what they will wear? See here he is giving an Englishman, a Japanese, an Indian, a Hawaiian. So here Hawaiian. So Hawaiian, how he is wearing? Just he is keeping one catching and one ante ila oka katte tarvata aakullaga he will wear. Indian we will wear a dhoti and a kurta. Mana yokka meeda it will be shirt and down dhoti. So a Japanese he will wear a what he will wear? Suit. Next Englishman also he will wear suit and he will keep here. So is an abs. What they will do? They will take a muffler. So here pictures is very clearful for you. 1, 2, Englishman, Japanese, Indian, Hawaiian. So these are the pictures he given for us to know something about the different states in the different distance. So people staying in hot places wear light clothes or the white clothes. So in the people hot ante I have explained you summer. In the summer they will wear cotton clothes, light clothes, because it is a very hot. So here also given in the summer, not here, in the hot season, hot places ante hot ga unde places lo em eskuntaru ani cheptunnadu, light color clothes he will wear. This makes the feel less warm. People stay in the cold places wear dark color and warm clothes. So what is telling here, who will wear ante ekkuva vedi unna chota లైట్ క్లాత్స్ వేసుకుంటారు, ఎందుకంటే ఎక్కువగా కొంచెం గాలాడి వేడి అనేది తక్కువ తగలడం. ఎక్కువ చలిగా ఉన్న ప్రదేశంలో ఎక్కువ ఎచ్చగా మనం వేసుకునే బట్టల్లో ఎచ్చదనం ఉన్నది, అంటే వామ్ అంటే వెచ్చదనం అనేది ఉండాలి అని చెప్తున్నాడు. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ద హాట్ ప్లేసెస్లో వాట్ వి విల్ వేర్ అండ్ కూల్ ప్లేసెస్ వాట్ వి విల్ వేర్. సో నెక్స్ట్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ద స్పెషల్ డ్రెస్సెస్ ఆఫ్ ద కంట్రీ. జర్మనీ హీ గివెన్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ అ ఫార్మాటివ్ అసెస్మెంట్, నాట్ just he is asking to find out. So find out it he given. So first one is Germany. Touch Rin Lady Rosen. So it is a for second one European clothes. So it is a third one Western outfits. So that is the fourth one, no special dresses for the Australia. So whatever they will be feel comfortable, they will wear. Okay, people dress for comfort. So here first the Netherlands, France, Australia. So here they have a different types of dress sense. So here in the Australia there is no special dress because whatever they will feel comfort, వాళ్ళైతే దేంట్లో కంఫర్ట్గా ఫీల్ అవుతారో అదే వేసుకుంటారని చెప్తున్నారు. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద ఫోర్ గివెన్ to write for me. So I have read traditional people in different parts of India wear different types of clothes. So here traditional మన యొక్క సాంప్రదాయం. What is mean by traditional? సాంప్రదాయం. సో మన యొక్క సాంప్రదాయాలు పట్టి పార్టీ. సో ఇయర్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా వేర్ డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ క్లోత్స్. ట్రెడిషనల్ అంటే మన యొక్క సాంప్రదాయాలు బట్టి వాళ్ళు వాళ్ళ యొక్క బట్టల్ని వేసుకుంటారు. సో పీపుల్ లివింగ్ ఇన్ డెజర్ట్ వేర్ కలర్ క్లోత్స్ బికాస్ దే స్టే కలర్లెస్ సరౌండింగ్. సో పీపుల్ డెజర్ట్ యు నో ఇట్ ఈస్ అ వెరీ sandy అంటే ఎక్కువ మట్టిగా ఉంటుంది. సో ఇయర్ వాట్ ఈ పీపుల్ లివింగ్ ఇన్ ద డెజర్ట్. సో వేర్ ఎవర్ ద పీపుల్ లివ్ ఇన్ ద డెజర్ట్ వేర్ కలర్ఫుల్ క్లోత్స్. దే విల్ వేర్ కలర్ఫుల్ క్లోత్స్ బికాస్ దే స్టే ఇన్ అ కలర్లెస్ సరౌండింగ్. సో దే విల్ కలర్లెస్ సరౌండింగ్స్లో వాళ్ళు ఉంటారు కాబట్టి సో దే విల్ వేర్ వాట్ దే విల్ వేర్. సో కలర్లెస్ దే విల్ stay in a colorless surroundings. So they will wear colorful clothes. People living in plains or coastal areas wear cotton clothes as the weather is hot and humidity. So here in the coastal areas and plains whoever will live they will wear because it is very hot and humidity is very hot. So they will wear what they will wear. It is a plain. So they will wear cotton clothes. What they will wear? Cotton clothes they will wear. People living in the cold places wear warm woolen clothes. So who will example that is Kashmir maybe it will be cold always. So they will wear ఎచ్చగా ఉండడానికి వాళ్ళు వేసుకునే ఒక దుస్తాలు. ఓకేనా, వేడిగా ఉన్న దగ్గరనేమో వేడి బట్టలకి వేడి తగలకుండా ఎక్కువ జర గాలి తగిలి వాళ్ళకు ఎక్కువ స్వెటింగ్ రాకుండా వేసుకునే కాటన్ క్లోత్స్. ఎక్కువగా వెచ్చగా ఉండాలి అంటే వామ్ క్లోత్స్ దే విల్ వేర్. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద త్రీ ట్రెడిషనల్స్. సో హియర్ ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈస్ in the desert, coastal areas, cold places. These three pictures here given children. So we have completed till here. So next we are moving to the formative assessment again. So here again find out the names of the special clothes worn in these states. So he is asking again special clothes. Formative assessment page number 40 children. This one page number 40. So children I will write here page number 40. So first one is Punjab. You know everyone in the Punjab what they will wear. Okay, so first I will write here Haryana, Kerala, next Andhra Pradesh, Assam, Rajasthan. So these are the places which they will what they will wear. He given the places we have to mention the dress sense. Dress code we have to what they will wear. వాళ్ళు ఏం వేసుకుంటారో we have to write. First one is Punjab what they will wear salwar and kameez. So they will wear salwar. You know everyone in the Punjabis they will wear mostly salwar kameez. Haryana what they will wear mostly dhoti. So here dhoti and kurta. So dhoti and kurta. Next it is Kerala, mundu and blouse. Mundu and blouse. Again Andhra Pradesh dhoti and kurta. So next Assam. Here huge silk and silks area what they will wear here. Next Rajasthan ghagras. Again dhoti. So here ghagra and dhoti. So this is the Maggam silk works. This is the huge silk work, huge silks area merchant. So these are the dresses worn by special cloths worn by the state of India. So here we have Punjab salwar, dhoti kurta, muddu blouses, dhoti kurta, again huge maggam work here, silk, so gagra and dhoti. So children's dressing up for a festival and function. Here what he is telling, again the last one, it is dressing up for the functions. So everyone know when we will go to the function we will wear, so in the marriages we will wear pattu sarees, or here parties we will wear a fancy party wear, so that may be frocks type. So here he is asking dressing up for festivals and functions. So everyone know what is mean by festivals and functions, no need to explain. Festivals means pandagalu, functions ante whatever we do, parties, it may be next it will be dawats. So here children, you have seen here some different clothes they wear. All of us wear beautiful color and attractive clothes during festivals and functions. A party dress, a wedding of a dress, bride and groom, an attractive dress on Diwali. So now the Dasra has been completed, so now it is coming Diwali, so we will wear a colorful dresses. So here is party dress, frock and pant shirt. Party dress is a pant and pant shirt, and as well as she wear a sleeveless frock. Next wedding saree, she will wear a saree, beautiful saree on her head, one pallu, and he will wear pagadi, and he will wear kurta pajama dhoti type. Diwali we will wear colorful dress, but is new dress. So children, see here we have completed the lesson. So here what I am telling for you means, mana yokka veskune battalu, మన ఉండే ఒక కల్చరు ఏదైతే ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఉంటుందో, మనకు ఫస్ట్ బట్టలు వేసుకోవడం ఇంపార్టెంట్. వీ హ్యావ్ టు వేర్, ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఈజ్ టు వేర్ అవర్ క్లోత్స్. సో వాట్ ఎవర్ హియర్ క్లోత్స్, అబౌట్ క్లాత్స్ వాట్ హీ గివెన్, సో హీ గివెన్ వేర్ ఎవర్ ద స్టేట్ కంట్రీ వాట్ ఎవర్ విల్ యూ, బట్ వీ విల్ వేర్ ద డ్రెస్ సెన్స్. సో హియర్ ఇన్ ద different types of culture, different dress sense, so they will wear. So example he given party, maybe he may be marriages. So children, this is our cloth lesson has been completed. So now I will move to the summative assessment. So if you have any doubts unte మీ parents ని అడగొచ్చు. If not, if you go to tuition you can ask tuition teacher. So children, but don't neglect చేయొద్దు. You have to read, you have to concentrate on your studies, don't neglect, don't take easy. So now I am moving to the summative assessment, that is page number 41. So first one is match the following, that is bit number B. So children, here first bit number question answers are there. So next match the following. Winter, the first one is winter, the first one is winter, party, school, desert, area and rainy season. So these five he given the for us first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So we have to match for A, B, C, D, E. So we have to match this by A, B, C, D. So first one is uniform, color, full dress, clothes, woolen clothes. These are very easy, ma. So we have learned the lesson carefully. If you listen the carefully, you can also do it. So but here children, you are not present. If not, you used to tell the answers for me, but I will. In winter season, very good, we will wear woolen cloths. In the party dresses, what dress we will wear party? For the parties, yes, silk clothes. Next, school uniform, desert area, colorful dress, rainy season, raincoats. This is the match the following. Here he given for us winter, party, school, desert areas as well as rainy season. So these are the five match the following he given here. So next we will move to the fill in the blanks, that is bit number C. So this is the page number 41 children. So everyone, page number I am writing here. So here bit number C, that is fill in the blanks. The first blank is clothes protect us from, very good, tell all of you, very good, everyone know, heat, cold and rain. So heat, cold rain. So these are the three first blank. We get cotton from cotton plants. Wool obtained from the sheep. China is the largest producer of silk in the world. The fourth one is China. The fifth one is our clothes. So here our clothes different according to the needs. So these are the five he given for us. The first one is heat, cold, rain. The second one is cotton. The third one is wool. China is the biggest producer of a silk. Next clothes are we have to according to different needs. So this is the lesson, children. So here you also, if you have textbooks, please you can write while listening the lesson. After completing the lesson you have to do it, children. So you have to do it and write in the textbook. Please children, go to the textbook. If you don't have textbook, here in the school it is available. You can also take from the school. So we are not taking any profit, but we are struggling for you. So please, simple bit, it is a keep లిటిల్ బిట్ కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్, కొంచెం కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ పెట్టారు అనుకుంటే యూ విల్ బీ ద సక్సెస్ ఇన్ ద స్టడీ. సో డోంట్ నెగ్లెక్ట్, మీరు ఎప్పుడు నెగ్లెక్ట్ చేయొద్దు. సో నా ఇది స్కూల్ నాట్ దర్, ఇది స్కూల్ లేదు కదా తెలిసినప్పుడు చూసుకుందాం. యూ షుడ్ నాట్ టెల్ లైక్ దట్. వెన్ ఎవర్ స్కూల్ ఈజ్ దేర్ ఆర్ నాట్ దేర్, జస్ట్ లిటిల్ బిట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు do hard work in the subject whatever it is giving your teachers or in the parents tuition teachers. So now I am leaving my class, that is third class. So I completed till cloth lessons. So children, please keep little bit concentration on your studies and do hard work, children. Thank you very much and thank you to everyone.